Hey, what's up guys? In today's little bit of a video tutorial on the Raw Jake channel. Today we're going to be explaining what a lag switch is and what all you'll need to set one up. Sorry, I'm using my phone. So what we will need is a Linksys 4 gigabit Ethernet switch. Great for network expansion, traffic prioritization, and transfer speeds up to 1000 Mbps gigabit data transfer speeds. You can get this literally on DoorDash and it'll come in like a few minutes. And then you'll see all this cool stuff that you can do with it. Okay, so in this video I'm just gonna give an example on how this works. So if you have a console, right, and you have a computer, you'll use more than less likely an Ethernet cable, like these, right? So, if you're on an Xbox, what you typically would do is you would set up a VPN. So, like Cloudflare. So, you would plug this into your router, whatever it may be, right? Most people use a router, and if you don't, then I don't know. And if you're not hardwired, then this will not work for you. Sorry. But basically what you're gonna do is what you would do is you'd take this cord, you'd plug it into the back of your router or modem, right? Whatever it be, to connect to the internet. Okay, in our case, we're talking about a PC, so give me a second while I go to my PC and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, you'll see that we're on our control panel on our Windows PC. Alright, so let's say you have a VPN, like I do, like I'm using a Cloudflare. Hold on, Discord's blocking it. But see there how I have this orange icon, so Cloudflare. Okay, so what we'll do is you come over here to network and internet. Sorry if my phone's shaky. Then what you'll see is you'll see all these different things. So what we're looking for is going to be this network and sharing. You'll click that, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to change adapter settings. Then you'll get a little pop-up window like this, and what you'll typically do is you'll go here, you'll go properties, you'll go sharing, and you'll share it to the Ethernet. And then what will happen is basically, one second, and I'll show you what basically happens. You'll see that this wire goes to the back of our PC, and then it'll wrap around, it'll come here, and it'll connect to this box, right? Well, let's say that's your router. Then what you would do is you'd take another cord that goes to your console. In our case, it's the Xbox One. And as you can see, we're on a game, right? And what we're gonna do is, for the example, is we're gonna go to a private match. Actually, it doesn't really matter. I'll go to a find core team deathmatch, and I'll be right back as soon as I find a lobby. Then you'll see that we're in a game. And then how a lag switch works is you'll flip this switch. And then what will happen is you'll see that what you will see happen is that we are technically lagging. Like, yeah, but you see that? And then basically you can see I'm lagging. Okay, I had to plug in the other lag switch for a better example, because this one works and all, it's just sometimes it doesn't work as good as the one that I bought on eBay. So basically this is a lag switch. So it's, you take the orange wire that's in here and you expose the wire, the orange wire, you expose it, you strip that wire, and then you just wrap it around the two ends of your light switch, and then you would electrical tape it like so, and then you plug it into your console. Make sure that it's in the on position first, because otherwise when you do that or that, you know, when it's off, the internet goes off. When it's on, the internet goes on. Now, why would somebody do this in a game? Is, let's be honest, people that do this are probably just cheating. I don't really recommend it in online games, just because you know, you could get banned from the game itself. Alright, so let me go ahead and find another lobby real quick. I'll be right back as soon as I have. By the way, when I said the orange wire, yeah, you gotta expose the copper in the wire. And then that's easy to do. You could strip it with your teeth, but I don't recommend it. Use a wire stripper or something more professional. Also, you would do a better job at electrical taping something like this than how I did it. It's not that hard. Now, one second while I get back in the game. You can see that we're in a game. If I flip this switch to on, you'll see that we're gonna get a connection thing. And if I flick it off, we'll still be in the game sometimes. Sometimes you'll get kicked out. What will happen is everyone else will be frozen. You can shoot them and you will be fine. And everyone else will be frozen. But that's only if you're host. This works great on a lot of different games. There's plenty of videos out there talking about the subject. But yeah, this is genuinely how this works. If you like what you see, or you want more explanations. Oh wait, one thing. So, this here is what they call a toggle lag switch. Okay, toggle meaning like flashlight or torch. Yeah, think of it like that. And then you have your momentary lag switch, which is just think of like this, but only with a button. When you hold the button down, it lags, but as soon as you release it, it stops. So that's the difference between toggleable and momentary lag switches, and that's really it. Thanks for watching. This video was actually kind of long. I'm recording it from my phone. Oh, also I can leave the link down in the description for where you can get your own lag switch, where you can get, like, I don't know, the same box I got here in this video, which is actually over here. So I'll leave a link down to where you can pick up one of these yourself. By the way, this lag switch kind of crappy, so I'm not gonna leave a link to that one. It's not crappy, but it's not great either. Considerably, it seems like every time I get in a game, it just kicks me out. But that's because I'm not host. If I was host, it'd be a whole different story. I'd be like, oh yeah, this thing's amazing. Oh, okay. Yep, see? That's a lag switch. And this is how they work. When you flip it, you're lagging. When you unflick it, that's basically how they work. And that's the whole video, guys. Thanks for watching.